We all need a little motivation to drink water. I know I do. And this little bottle is exactly that. Let me show you. So this looks like a regular water bottle, but it's not. Look at all these cool little motivational things to get you through the day, but also to remind you to drink more water. And the really nice thing is I was like, man, this is not enough water to go throughout the day. But it starts at 8 a.m. You finish it by 1 p.m., tells you to refill it, and then you go all afternoon into the evening. And then you know that you've got enough. And this is a 32-ounce bottle, obviously times two, 64 ounces a day. It's plenty of water. Of course, you can do more. And it also tells you exactly how much you have in milliliters as well. I like the kind of finish that it has. It's really, really cute. And it's got a push button. I'm a sucker for push buttons on bottles, and right there, the spout. And I know that it's safe. It can be in a gym bag, in a bag in the car. It's not going to spill. And if I lock it, the push button doesn't open. So that's really cool, that little locking mechanism right there. I mean, you can't beat that. So yes, motivational and a water bottle. Come on.